How to reset your boiler when you have run out of gas. Once you credit your gas meter, then you will need to reinstate your gas boiler. To do this, turn the boiler switch to the off position. Turn the boiler off from the wall socket. Turn your boiler switch to the on position. Turn the boiler on from the wall socket. The boiler will start to purge. Your boiler may show an error code on the display panel that relates to the gas supply still being off. To reset the gas supply to your boiler, you will need to turn and hold the reset button for a couple of seconds. Once you let go of the reset button, it will automatically go back to its original position. The boiler will now show a preheat code on the electric display panel. The boiler will go through a preheat and purge cycle and will then turn back.